In this video, we shall continue with question number 4 from problems 2.3, elementary number theory by D.M. Burton. In this video, I shall do 4A and 4B, and in the next videos, I shall do C and D. Okay, let's start with 4A. See here we have to use mathematical induction to show that 8 divides 5 to the power 2n plus 7 and 15 divides 2 to the power 4n minus 1. So how to do that? Let's do A. Okay, see, now we have to check for each case. Okay, for n equal to 1, n equal to k, and n equal to k plus 1. This is what we have to check. So let's do that. So when n is equal to when n is equal to 1, let's check whether 5 to the power 2n plus 7 is divisible by 8 or not. So when n is equal to 1, we can write this one as 5 to the power 2 into 1 plus 7, and here we'll get 32, right, which is divisible by 8. So we have done for n equal to 1. Now for n equal to k, when n equal to k, 5 to the power 2n plus 7 is equal to 5 to the power 2k plus 7. Suppose this one is divisible by 8. So if it is divisible by 8, then we can write 5 to the power 2k plus 7 as 8 into some integer, say m. Okay, m is an integer, and from here 5 to the power 2k is equal to 8m minus 7. So next we have to check that the divisibility is also true for n equal to k plus 1. Next we show that the divisibility is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. So how to show that? So look here, when n is equal to k plus 1, 5 to the power 2n plus 7 becomes 5 to the power k plus 1 plus 7, and this is equal to 5 to the power 2k plus 2 plus 7. Okay, now look here, 5 to the power 2k plus 2 plus 7, we can write this one as 5 to the power 2k into 5 square. It's the same. Okay, it's the same with this, plus 7. What is this 5 to the power 2k? See, it is equal to 8m minus 7, and 5 square is 25 plus 7. Okay, so here we have 25 into 8m minus 25 into 7 plus 7, 25 into 8m minus, so from here if we calculate we'll get 168. Okay, now here we have 8 into 25m minus 8 into 21, we get 168, right? So see, now let's say that this is p. Okay, p is equal to 25m minus 21, which belongs to the set of integers. Now we see that this one is equal to 8 into some integer, right? So we can say that 8 divides 5 to the power 2k plus 2 plus 7. That is 8 divides 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 7. So we see that this is also true for n equal to k plus 1. So what can we conclude? So by mathematical induction, what do we have? We say that 8 divides 5 to the power 2n plus 7. So these are the steps in which we have to do in order to show that 8 divides 5 to the power 2n plus 7 using mathematical induction. Okay, so let us do the second one, same procedure, B. So look here, B. Here we check first for n equal to 1. Now for n equal to 1, 2 to the power 4n minus 1 becomes 2 to the power 4 into 1 minus 1, and that is 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. Okay, and 15 is divisible by 15. Okay, we have done for n equal to 1. Now when n equal to k, 2 to the power 4n minus 1 becomes 2 to the power 4k minus 1. Suppose this one is divisible by 15. Okay, if it is divisible by 15, then we can write 2 to the power 4k minus 1 as 15 into some integer m. M is an integer, remember that. Okay, and from here we have 2 to the power 4k equal to 15m plus 1. Okay, now we show that the divisibility is also true for n equal to k. Now when n is equal to k plus 1, 2 to the power 4n minus 1 becomes 2 to the power 4k plus 1 minus 1. Okay, and this is equal to 4k plus 4 minus 1. Now here 2 to the power 4k plus 4 minus 1, we can write it as 2 to the power 4k into 2 to the power 4 minus 1. What is 2 to the power 4k? It is 15m plus 1, and 2 to the power 4 is 16 minus 1. Okay, so see, here we have 16 into 15m, and then we have 16 minus 1. So see, here we have 15 into 16m, okay, plus 16 minus 1 is 15, so here we have 1. Okay, now let's say that this one is p. P is equal to 16m plus 1. M is an integer, so this one will be an integer. Okay, now we see that this one is equal to 15 into some integer, so we say that 15 divides 2 to the power 4k plus 4 minus 1, that is 15 divides 2 to the power 4 k plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so therefore using mathematical induction, we conclude that 15 divides 2 to the power 4n minus 1.